Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sachin Shulingusari from Department of Chemical Technology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad, and today we are going to see the details of data science. The topic of presentation is data science concepts to application. Data science, basically it is a combination of mathematics, statistics, machine learning and computer science. Data science is collecting, analyzing and interpreting the data to gather insights into the data that can help decision makers make informed decisions. In simple terms, data science helps to analyze data and extract meaningful insights from it by combining statistics and mathematics, programming skills, and subject expertise. Now, it becomes necessary to understand the importance of the data science. How it is important? Basically, data science combines tools, methods, and technology to generate meaning from data. That is first. Secondly, it helps in extracting meaningful insights from that by combining various methods, technologies, and tools. Basically, it helps in processing of business generated data. It is important to make informed decisions about product development and marketing. It is a classical tool to detect fraud and optimize processes, and it helps to improve efficiency in the delivery of the public services also. Now let us see the history of the data science. Let us go back into the history of the data science. So if you look into the history, the word firstly come into picture in 60s as an alternative term for the statistics. In late 90s, computer science professionals formalized this term. Data science is a discipline that is constantly developing, employing computer science and statistical methods to acquire insights and generate valuable predictions in a variety of industries. In 1962, John Tukey writes in the Future of the Data Analysis, and he mentioned well about data science. In 1974, Peter Noor authored the concise survey of the computer methods, and he repeatedly used the term data science. In 1980s, there was a huge development in the area of computers, and after that, the computers were started to used for collection and handling of the data. In 2000, data science was emerged as an important branch of applied science. Now let us see the life cycle of the data science. So data science can be thought of as having 5 different stages. So first is a capture, second is maintain, third is a process, fourth is analyze, and fifth is communicate. So let us see each and every life cycle stage one by one. First, the capture. This stage is when data scientists gather raw and unstructured data. The capture stage typically includes data acquisition, data entry, signal reception, and data extraction. Now, second stage, that is called maintain, life cycle stage. This stage is when data is put into a form that can be utilized. The maintenance stage includes data warehousing, data cleansing, data staging, data processing, and data architecture. Third stage of life cycle of data science is process. This stage is when data is examined for patterns and biases to see how it works as a predictive analysis tool. The process stage includes data mining, clustering and classification, data modeling, and data summarization. Now, the fourth stage of life cycle, analyze. This stage is when multiple types of analysis are performed on the data. The analysis stage involves data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, and decision making. And the last stage of life cycle of data science is communicate. This stage is when data scientists and analysts showcase the data through reports, charts, and graphs. The communication stage typically includes exploratory and confirmatory analysis, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, and qualitative analysis. Now let us see the process of data science. What is the flow chart of data science? So it starts with obtaining the data, scrubbing of the data, exploring the data, modeling of the data, and last stage is interpretation of the results. Now it becomes essential to understand the techniques of the data sciences. What are those techniques which are frequently used by the data scientists? So data science professionals use computing systems to follow the data science process. The top techniques used by the data scientists are, there are three techniques which are frequently used. One is classification, second is regression, third is clustering. So let us see one by one. Classification first. Classification is the sorting of the data into scientific groups or categories. Computers are trained to identify and sort the data. Known data sets are used to build decision algorithms in a computer that quickly processes and categorizes the data. The regression. Regression is the method of finding a relationship between two seemingly unrelated data points. The connection is usually modeled around a mathematical formula and represented as a graph or curves. When the value of one data point is known, regression is used to predict the other data point. Now, the third one, that is called clustering. Clustering is the method of grouping closely related data together to look for patterns and anomalies. Clustering is different from sorting because the data cannot be accurately classified into fixed categories. Hence, the data is grouped into most likely relationships. New patterns and the relationships can be discovered with clustering. Although it seems that data science practice is very easy task, but it is not. In a practical aspect, if you look into the worksheets of data scientists, so data scientists are practitioners. They work with very complex technologies like quantum computing, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and internet things. So practically, if you want to perform any kind of data science activities, yes, definitely we have to deal with complex technologies. So now it becomes essential to even understand what are the prerequisites of the data science. If you want to practice the data science, what are the prerequisites? So there are some prerequisites like first, statistics. Data science relies on statistics to capture and transform data patterns into usable evidence through the use of complex machine learning techniques. So statistics is the first prerequisite. Second is programming. Programs like Python or SQL are the most common programming languages. To successfully execute a data science project, it is important to instill some level of programming knowledge. Now third one is machine learning. Making accurate forecast and estimate is quite possible by using machine learning, which is a crucial component of data science. One must have a firm understanding of a machine learning if someone wants to succeed in the field of data science. Now fourth is databases. A clear understanding of the functioning of the databases and skills to manage and extract the data is a must in this domain. And the fifth one, prerequisite, is modeling. You may quickly calculate and predict using mathematical models based on the data you already know. Modeling helps in determining which algorithm is best suited to handle a certain issue and how to train these models. Now, what are the essential tools of the data science? So let us see the data science tools. Data scientists rely on popular programming languages to conduct exploratory data analysis and statistical regressions. These open source tools support pre-built statistical modeling, machine learning, and graphical capabilities. So these languages are Python, R, SQL, C, C++. Now let us see some of the popular data science tools like Apache Spark, Apache Hadoop, Microsoft Excel, very well aware of, everyone is well aware of that, QLink, SAS, Scikit. So there are so many popular data science tools are available. After understanding the basics of data science, now it becomes necessary to understand the usage of the data science, where it is used. So it is depicted in this picture. So you can see 4 different quadrants of different colors: descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. So let us see one by one what are those. So first, descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis examines data to gain insights into what happened or what is happening in the data environment. It is characterized by data visualization such as pie charts, bar charts, line graphs, tables, and generated narratives. Secondly, diagnostic analysis. Diagnostic analysis is a deep dive or a detailed data examination to understand why something happened. It is characterized by techniques such as drill down, data discovery, data mining, and correlations. Multiple data operations and transformations may be performed on a given dataset to discover unique patterns in each of these techniques. Third one is predictive analysis. Predictive analysis uses historical data to make accurate forecasts about data patterns that may occur in the future. It is characterized by techniques such as machine learning, forecasting, pattern matching, and predictive modeling. In each of these techniques, computers are trained to reverse engineer causality connections in the data. And the last, very important, prescriptive analysis. Prescriptive analysis takes predictive data to the next level. It is not only predict what is likely to happen but also suggest an optimum response to that outcome. It can analyze the potential implications of different choices and recommend the best course of action. It uses graph analysis, simulations, complex event processing, neural networks, and recommendations engines from machine learning. So now, what are the examples and applications of the data science? So one must understand what are the application areas. So there are some application areas which are shown on this slide. Anomaly detection, so something like fraud, disease, crime that can be discovered by using data science principles. Classification is quite possible by using data science, like background checks, email server classifying emails such as important, unimportant, like this. Some of the forecasting like sales, revenue, and customer retentions can be done by using data science. One most important part, that is pattern detection, or you can say weather patterns, financial market patterns that can be detected. So it is quite possible by using data science. Facial and voice recognition, then recommendations, regression, and optimization, like things are quite possible by using data science. So here are some more in detail examples wherein data science plays a very important role. Yes, definitely in healthcare, self-driving cars, logistics, environment, product and sales and marketing, finance, as well as securities. These are the core areas wherein data science plays a very important role. So after knowing all the details of data science, one must be very curious that what are the benefits and challenges of the data science. Yes, definitely there are some benefits, like it helps in making predictions and business decisions. It assists in data analysis even for complex data sets. It enhances the cybersecurity protection. It allows for quick business reporting and visualizations, and it optimizes scheduling and recommending services. Apart from the benefits, if you look towards the challenges of the challenges rather in the data science, it is very susceptible to bias and discrimination just like humans, and it is vulnerable to security threats with the amount of the data that has been collected. Now, after understanding the brief description about the data science, one must be very curious that what are the career opportunities in the data science. Yes, definitely there are so many career opportunities, as data science is helping and it is smoothing our life very well. So if you look into the data science career, so you can start your career as a data analyst, and you can move further as a data scientist, data engineer, even business intelligence analyst also. This is all about the data science concepts to applications. Thank you.